Hi, Chance. My name is Megan. I spoke with Carol at your office this week and just introduced myself. I wanted to introduce myself to you as well. So, again, my name is Megan and I own Lobo Leads Marketing in San Antonio. It's a digital marketing company. So I called just to see if you guys would be interested in me sending this video. And basically what the video is it's going to give you tips on your website and then just show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So Carol told me to go ahead and send this over to you. So I hope this video is helpful to you. And I'm just going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. If you have questions after you watch it or you want to give me some feedback on it, that would be great. I'd love to chat with you more, and I'll have all my contact info in the email. So the three things we're going to go over today in the video are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the homepage of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the homepage, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician, college station, plumber, college station, and other keyword phrases along those lines with the services that you offer that are location specific. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I really like how clean it is. I love the design of it. It's easy to navigate and it's very professional. I like how you have all your services right here. And then you can click, so you have good internal linking throughout your site as well, because you can end up clicking on these services and going to a different page that gives you more information about those specific services. So that's really great. I also like how you have testimonials down here at the bottom. Testimonials are obviously very, very good for building trust with prospective clients. And then you have, all of your contact info and locations down here. So that's really good. I also really like how you have your services split up. So because each of these services is on a different back page, they're able to rank, those back pages are able to rank more easily. And if someone's just looking for, help with breakers and fuses, there you go. Your back page here pops up. So if they type in breakers, fuses, college station, then they'll end up getting to this back page and getting to your site and hopefully giving you guys a call. So that's great. So as far as content goes, what we recommend for content on the service pages is 500 words, and then you want to have location specific keywords within that content. So anywhere from 3 to 5 keywords spread organically throughout the paragraphs would be good here. That'd be a good number to strive for. As far as your homepage goes, like I said, again, the website looks really nice. Something to add here is you'll want to get up to that 1,500 word mark as far as content. And so anywhere from 10 to 15 keyword phrases within this this homepage would be a good number to strive for there. So overall, I really like your site. I like how it's all laid out. And those are just a few quick tips for you. The next thing I want to go over with you is backlinks. So Google can kind of be like a popularity contest in a way, because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, an electrician blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you. Or a popular website that features various types of home services and features electrical services would also be another good one. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have much more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus, let's say, one from your local Domino's Pizza, for example. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. So I went ahead and put your company up here, your website, into Ahrefs, and it looks like you guys have 50 backlinks from 25 different websites. and 94 for your organic traffic. So this is measured over the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, you guys have had 94 website visits. So you're definitely getting some traffic, which is good. Now, compared to your top competitor in the area, Britt Rice Electric, it looks like they have 789 backlinks and 167 for their organic traffic. So they, over the last 30 days, they've had 167 website visits. So they're definitely getting more, and you'll want to try to, have as much organic traffic, but even actually more than what they're getting. So a strategy that we tell our clients to use to get the same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more. So what will end up happening is you'll surpass them while gaining more power to your site, a lot more organic traffic, and with that, of course, comes new customers. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. So citations are very important, because if someone's looking for a service now, typically what they're going to do is type in the service in Google, so Electrician College Station, and they'll see these top 3 businesses in the local Google My Business map pack as the best businesses because they're at the top. So 70 to 80% of people will click on these websites, give these companies a call, and go with them to get the service they're looking for. So the reason these companies are at the top is not necessarily because they're the best in the area, it's because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name, phone number, and address are listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, just to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients is the same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in and list yourself in whatever directories these top 3 businesses are listed in, and then you add on a space cushion of, let's say, 20 to 30% more directories. That way, what's going to end up happening is you'll end up infiltrating this local Google My Business map pack over time, and you'll be ranking at the top before your competitors can even realize it. They won't be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks, more citations, and taking on all of that new business. So here is my company, Lobo Leads, and this is my phone number. And I just wanted you to have this. I'll also send my contact info in the email. But I really hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope to talk with you soon. Thanks.